Hello friends, welcome to Agri Exam. In this video, we will continue the series of daily one-liner questions of agronomy, and this is our part 10th video regarding agronomy. So let's start. Question number first. In sugarcane, upper one-third part is used for sowing due to means why we are considering only one-third part for sowing in case of sugarcane, and the answer is high nitrogenous substance and glucose for better germination. That immature crops gives better germination since they contain high nitrogenous substances and glucose, and that's why we use upper one third part of cane for planting purpose. Question number second. Brix reading should be for proper maturity, and the answer is 16 to 18%. They are asking this question in regards to sugarcane crop. Brix reading, it is nothing but the cane maturity measures, and the sugarcane, it is considered matured only if the Brix value or the refractometer reading is in the range of 16 to 18%. And for calculating the Brix value, the juice, it should be taken from middle portion of the stalk. Question number third. Noble cane is, and the answer is Saccharum officinarum, which is a tropical cane, thick and juicy, low in fiber content, and has a chromosome number of 2n is equal to 80. Question number fourth. Nitrogen percentage in groundnut cake, and the answer is 7.3%, or we can say the nitrogen percentage in groundnut cake is in the range of 7 to 8%. Question number fifth. Botanical name of bunchy type of groundnut, and the answer is Arachis hypogaea subspecies fastiglata. It is the botanical name of bunchy type of groundnut. Question number 6. Major paste of groundnut. White grub, it is the major paste in case of groundnut crop. Question number 7. Fruit type of tomato, and the answer is berry. 8th question. Tomato, it is also known as, and the answer is wolf apple. The botanical name of tomato, it is Lycopersicon esculentum, and it is also known as wolf apple. Question number 9. Indian Institute of Maize Research, it is located in, and the answer is Ludhiana, which is in Punjab. Previously, this Indian Institute of Maize Research, it was known as Directorate of Maize Research, which was located in New Delhi, and this Indian Institute of Maize Research, it is the revised name, and now it is located in Ludhiana. Question number 10. Two lines different for a single locus, it is known as isogenic lines. Question number 11. Change in the genome with reference to the individual chromosome, it is called as, this phenomena, it is known as aneuploidy. Question number 12. TIF60, it is an important source of male sterility in, the answer is sorghum. In case of sorghum, TIF60, this gene, it is an important source of male sterility, and the most important male sterility variety in case of sorghum, it is combined kafir 60. Question number 13. NBPGR, it is established in, and the answer is New Delhi in the year 1976. NBPGR can be spelled out as National Bureau of Plant Genetic Resources, which is established in New Delhi. Question number 14. For the regular cultivation, the land capability classes used are, the answer is first, second and third classes. They are only used for cultivation, for regular cultivation as per the land capability classes. Question number 15. Father of agronomy, and the answer is Peter de Crescenzi. He is known as the father of agronomy. Now we will see our question number 16. The cropping system in which the yield of both crops are higher than of the pure crop on unit area basis, it is called as synergetic cropping, and the example can be sugarcane plus potato. 17th question. PMA is a type of anti-transparent, and the answer is stomata closing type. PMA, it is a type of stomata closing type anti-transparent. Stomata closing type, they are such anti-transparent which reduces the water loss through stomatal closing, and the example is phenyl mercuric acetate, that is PMA, herbicides like atrazine in a very low concentration, ABA and CO2. Question number 18. Family of jute. The answer is Titiliaceae. It is the family of jute. Again, falsa crop also comes under the Titiliaceae family. Question number 19. Semi-root parasite, and the answer is Striga. Striga, it is also known as witch weed. It is a semi-root parasite which is found in sorghum, maize, sugarcane and sunflower crop. Question number 20. Soil moisture tension, it is directly measured by, and the answer is tensiometer. Tensiometer, it is also known as aerometer, and this tensiometer measures the soil moisture tension directly, and it is used in coarse soil, and the practical limit for its utilization is up to 0.8 bar, and this tensiometer, it was discovered by Richard and Gardner. Question number 21. Cuscuta is associated with lucerne crop Medicago sativa. Question number 22. Central Institute of Fisheries Technology, that is CIFT, it is in, the answer is Cochin, which is in Kerala, and this Central Institute of Fisheries Technology, it was established in the year 1957. Question number 23rd. Central Institute of Agricultural Engineering, it is in Bhopal, and it was established in the year 1976. Question number 24. Root system of gram, grape and cotton, it is taproot system. All these three crops possess the taproot system. Question number 25. Time of nipping operation is, the answer is 30 to 40 days after sowing. Nipping operation, it is basically carried out in chickpea or grain or gram, and it is a process of plucking the apical buds with some young leaves, once from each plant at a height of about 12 to 15 centimeter. Next question, question number 26. Arrowing stage arrives on, and the answer is 300 to 350 days after planting. We all are aware that arrowing, it is nothing but the inflorescence of sugarcane, it is known as arrow, and this stage comes after 300 to 350 days after planting. Question number 27. The term parthenogenesis, it was coined by, and the answer is Owen coined the term parthenogenesis. Question number 28. C4, that is the hatch and slack pathway, it is found in which crop, and the answer is sorghum, maize and sugarcane. All these crops shows C4 cycle in them, which is also known as hatch and slack pathway, and this C4 cycle, they shows the Kranz anatomy in them. Question number 29. Sugar, which is sweetest among all sugar is, and the answer is fructose, and fructose, it is a ketone sugar and it is sweetest among all the sugars. Question number 30. Most abundant protein in the world, and the most abundant protein, it is Rubisco. So friends, this was all about the daily one-liner questions of agronomy. For more such videos, stay connected with Agri Exam and do like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you.